Module 0, our most basic mushroom training. You are probably watching this video because you are interested in mushrooms. Maybe you're an amateur and that you want to take your knowledge up to the hobbyist level, or you are a wannabe urban mushroom farmer who wants to learn more and know more about the growing process of mushrooms. So if you want to learn to make substrate bags like this, then Module 0 is definitely something for you.
Module 0 contains 20 videos in which we show you how to create a suited breeding ground or substrate for mushrooms. Every video is an easy to follow step-by-step walkthrough of the cultivation process, and the materials used can be found in the average household. We offer several downloads for you to use as a reference, and in every lesson there's the possibility to ask questions on things you do not understand, and we take the time to answer them.